What's up, everybody? Mox News just put this up like a second ago, and I'm just gonna run a quick video. I haven't seen this lady in the public eye in a while.
Hey, Cleveland!
Get a load of this, dude.
Happy Labor Day!
She is coughing a storm up.
When we were trying to figure out where we could be, we all said, let's go to Cleveland.
Yeah, sure. Sure you did.
And I want to thank Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us.
Dude, listen to her cough. Ho ho ho! She is blowing it. Look at her. Look at him in the background. He's just like, oh, what? I didn't even watch this. Oh my God! No wonder why she hasn't been talking.
Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic.
Oh my gosh. She is so bad at a joke, too. Her joke sucked.
Boy, we have 63 days to go.
Oh my gosh. This is bad. Dude, you know they put makeup on her too, because you can just tell. She's got like saggy eyes and everything. Good gosh.
Well, thank you.
Did she blaze?
Whoa.
Did she rip the bong? Like, honestly, dude, she must have dabbed out. That's like the kind of cough you get if you've never done a big dab. She had some like heavy hash dab. Look at that face. Either that or she's sick. 'Cause like, I don't know. I know about all types of coughs. That sounds to me like she's either sick or she just took a massive dab. A massive dab. And they like coaxed her into doing it before her speech. And she doesn't smoke weed. So for her to take a dab, she got wrecked. That's my opinion. Listen to her cough. It's like when you drink water, if you've taken a big dab and you're not used to it, it doesn't do shit. So that's what's happening with her. She's got like extreme dry mouth.
How we got great and why we are great today. And what we need to do together to face the future. Because our campaign is about we will fix it together. We will work together.
She is blazed. She is high as shit. She's gotta be. Did you just hear that? I want to do like a little of this coughing. She comes in though, like.
And that is in stark contrast to Donald Trump. Remember what he said.
It makes so much sense why she hasn't been in the public eye.
Alone can fix it. Now think of what
I don't care about either of these candidates. Don't think that I'm like a Trump supporter too. It's just such a fucking show. No wonder why she hasn't been in public. She can barely talk.
Who run toward danger. It leaves out doctors and nurses who care for us.
I wonder if she has another
It
coughing
leaves out
fit.
teachers and educators who care for the most important people in our lives, our children.
She's like either screaming at staff behind the scenes. I have no idea. There's no reason that somebody should have that crappy of a voice. Listen to her coughing.
You just heard the next vice president, didn't you? In addition to thanking Marcia Fudge, let me also thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown.
Yeah, that's post dab talking right there. Ooh, this is cringy.
Excuse me. Also,
so I don't.
Members of Congress, Tim Ryan. And
I think she like pulls it together here. I don't know if she does any more coughing. You guys can watch yourself because it's 20 minutes.
Thanks to Mayor
at least 20 minutes. I mean, at most 20 minutes of her talking, because there could be another speaker.
I hope that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate.
Is this for real? I can't believe, like, they should have just not had her speak, but they can't help. They have to have her make appearances.
Great labor leaders of our country. Randy Weingarten, Lee Saunders.
Wow, the coughing isn't over.
Rich Trumka. I'm proud to be on the same stage with them because they're always fighting for working families.
Dude, this is too bad. She's like, she can barely pull this off right now. This is like, I cannot even believe this. I literally can't believe this.
Let me say that we're here in part.
Like, I've been sick with a cold. Like,
we know how important this election
this
is.
is serious. She's either really sick or she's hitting the dab too hard. Or she hit like a hot nail. She hit a hot bucket. Like, she didn't wait for that shit to cool down. She got way too crispy with that dab, and she should have let it cool down.
Everything that's great about America.
I'm gonna pause you here, Hillary. If you heat that nail up, or the bucket, or whatever you're using the dab, if you heat it up too hot, you gotta let it cool down, like at least 30 seconds, depending on how thick the thing is, how thick the quartz is. You can't be roasting dabs like this before you do a speech. You're gonna be coughing for 5 minutes like you just did. Anyway, I hope you guys like the video. She's getting crazy here, this Hillary. I don't know what she's doing. The vice president's speech, I listened to that whole thing. Not good either. I could have done his speech. He named a bunch of people off, and then he like stumbled through and used very elementary words. Anyway, I'll link the video. Let me know what you guys think. She has not been in the news for a while. I haven't seen her, and then this happens. Like, holy crap!